Today we're going to draw an alien spaceship, or flying saucer, or UFO. Sorry, my cat is in the window licking herself, making the most disgusting noise. What you doing? Eh? What you doing? She's nosy. She's such a nosy neighbour. Right, I'll shut up now. So, I'm going to do... This is quite a hard one, so I'm going to go all the way around. You've got to have a steady hand for this bit. To there. It's a bit like a rainbow shape, really, isn't it, that? And then we're going to draw all the way around to there. And the same on this side. And that one, you might want to turn your paper because you can see my angle's a little bit like that, but I want you to be able to see, so I'm just doing it like that. So then we're going to join this to here, but we want it to go round a little bit. So I'm going to come round and down. Ooh, got a bit wobbly there. Not too bad. And I'm going to do the same that way. All the way to there. Okay, and then I'm going to draw. There we go. We need some legs. That's that. Same on this side to land on. Okay, one of the aliens. So this one is out of my book. I wonder if I've got a book here. It's a cute alien I have, and it's on the top. That was good. He's a cute little alien. I've done a story with this character, so I'm just going to draw that like that. And then the same on that side. Like that. And his round face like that. And then another. These are going to be his googly eyes. I'm going to draw a big circle. Okay, same here. Big circle. And then you can draw some blobs on the top of his eyes. Now it's actually called Blur Blob, this alien. So I'm going to come down here to create his body, just like that. Okay, and I'm going to be friendly, so I'm going to put a nice smile. You can do it grumpy, you can do it whatever you like. And I'm going to draw a little baby one here. So I'm going to have two circles. One, two. They're going to be his eyes. And then I'm going to do a little blob. Come down there like that. And then the same there. I'm going to do the same on this side. And then come down there. And then there. Now I've left the pupils to the last, so I want them to look at each other. So I'm going to draw one there, like that, and then the same there, so it looks like he's looking at the baby one, and then I'll do the same one here, like that. I'm going to try, this is fiddly, there we go. I want a little white bit to make it look like he's got shiny eyes. That's the baby one. And this one, a bit fiddly this, because they've only got small eyes on this. It's usually easier on the other cartoons. But there we go. And he's called Blur Blob, that alien. I will show you a picture in here. In my book, the book's called The Visitor. And it's a little bit like E.T. So there he is. Well, there's robots in this as well. There we go. And there's an evil police lady. I won't tell you any more about that one. If you want to get that book, you can get it on the links below. There's either an ebook for £3 where you can read straight away, or there is paperback like mine I've just showed you. That's £6.99. So there we go. That's one's done. I would like to see yours. So send me your pictures. You've got the links below, email and my Facebook page. Maybe you could draw some planets on yours and some stars. That would look good. Or a galaxy or whatever you think. It's anything spacey. Send your pictures. I'd love to see them. And I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.